Me neither.
Adam, can you check the attic, please?
The roof's falling in.
It's an old place. Everything's okay.
Okay?
You're making people nervous.
He's in the forest again, is he? He's trespassing. It's dangerous for him.
They believe that the forest that you're trampling on belongs to the Hollow.
Hollow.
Fairies, banshees, baby stealers.
So you a believer?
Mr. Hitchens, this is in London. Things here go bumping at night.
Just baby dreams. Stay here. Lock the door.
Adam?
Wait!
Quick, Adam, there's something back there!
If you trespass upon them, they'll trespass upon you.
You should never have come here!
Hey, horror movie fans! Did you know that the story for Final Destination was actually an abandoned idea for an X-Files episode? While in order to film the opening scene in Final Destination 2, the actors had to ride the roller coaster 26 times. Talking about disgusting scenes in horror movies, those of you who watched The Exorcist surely remember when Regan, Linda Blair, vomits on Father Karras, Jason Miller. Originally, the vomit was supposed to hit him in the chest, but due to a misfire with the tube, the actor was hit in the face. So the look of disgust as Miller wipes off the vomit is genuine. Luckily, the vomit used consisted mostly of pea soup. Ugh. What's your favorite disgusting horror scene? Let me know in the comments below. See ya!